Hi, my name is Lito. Today we are talking about powdered eyebrows technique. I will tell you about how not to lose the shape during the procedure and how to do powdered eyebrows technique in one pass. Please like this video and watch this video till the end. Imagine you are doing an amazing eyebrows mapping for your client, and when you're starting to work with permanent makeup machine and needle and implanting the pigment, you can see that you are losing the shape. And sometimes when you're cleaning the eyebrows, you can see that it's not enough color. There are two ways how you can fix the shape of your eyebrows. First option, you can outline the shape of the eyebrows with soft powder strokes. Let me show for you how you can do it. You are outlining the tail with powder strokes, and then also you outlining the upper and bottom line with powder strokes. And after that, you are cleaning the pigment and you can apply the numbing cream for 1 minute. After the cleaning, you can see enough color and the shape of the eyebrows, and you can start to color inside this shape. Second option, you can start to fill in the shape of the eyebrows with powder strokes. And when you are doing shading, make sure that you are doing it without any gaps, and you can color it section by section and sometimes check the color retention. And when you can see it's enough color on the tail, for example, you can move forward with the shading on the body of the eyebrows and continue coloring. And again, you can check the color retention, for example, here and here. And when you can see amazing result, you can move forward and work with the head of the eyebrows. And again, you can check the color retention. As you can see, now we have a very good powdered eyebrows technique, and after the cleaning, you will see enough color and your shape will be safe, and you can continue coloring the eyebrows. Additionally, you can redraw your helpful lines from the head of the eyebrow, also from the arch of the eyebrow, and from the tail of the eyebrow. And when you will clean the eyebrows, let me put also some dots here. And when you will clean the eyebrows, you will see that you still have these reference lines, and these reference lines will help you not to lose the shape as well. I would recommend for my client option number 1, when my client would like to have more precise borders of the eyebrows and sharp looking eyebrows. I would recommend for my client section number 2, when my client would like to get just powder eyebrows technique and more natural and soft look after the healing process. So let me show for you the option number 2, how I'm working with the client, and you will see all these procedures in details. If you would like to learn the best permanent makeup technique of the eyebrows, eyes and lips, and you would like to know how to do cover-up technique of the eyebrows or how to remove permanent makeup, please sign up on my online courses. You can find the link below in the description to this video, and please follow me on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will very appreciate if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.